Hello guys, we're gonna speedrun this obby and we're gonna speedrun this obby guys, but I can't use shortcuts. Ready guys, we're gonna do it guys. This is a long jump. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna shortcut. I broke the promise. Sorry guys. I'm really sorry right now. But I can shortcut here. But I did it. Because I'm a pro at wall hop. I forgot to tell you guys. I changed my avatar. And this is a wall hop obby. Why did I do so long? This is literally do this. Bro, this is easy. He's that green. Sorry, Dandel, if you're watching this, I quit green beans, but I'm supporting green beans and grow a garden, guys. Gonna join the group. But I'm still supporting the green beans and grow a garden. Oh my god, that is so close. Oh! Oh no, hell no. Oh no, hell no. This is actually hard, guys. I reached this 2 times or 3 times. And it's actually hard. I do this without failing, but now I'm failing. Cause I'm a mobile player. You know guys, I'm a mobile player. It's true, I'm a mobile player, guys. And I like the game, matuloy connected. Oh, can we tell people a little bit while 3 minutes? This video will end at 6 minutes. Guys, there's another obby here. Why didn't you think of that? Bruh. You just fail. Bro. Bruh. Sorry guys. This will end it in the right time of 6 minutes. Oh my god, I forgot to add the magic card. Bye guys. Love you guys.